Hi everyone, today I'm going to solve an Excel assignment YO22 Excel Chapter 3 Prepare Weddings. In its project description, Andrew Holmes and Trey Winston have just booked a wedding at Pending Paradise Resort and Spa. When requested by a happy couple, coordinates a variety of events including spa visits, golf, massage and gift baskets made by various spa products. Given the frequency of the wedding event at the Turk's Oasis Spa, Midarodate has asked for your assistance in modifying an Excel workbook that can be used and reused to plan these events in future. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel and download and open file name Excel Chapter 3 Prepare Wedding. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Save the file where your location. You are sorting your file. I have already opened this file. That's my file. So we will go to our second step. Our second step is to help the spa manager design a workbook to become more efficient in planning for wedding events. You will edit the wedding workbook on the gift basket worksheet. So we will move to a gift basket worksheet. That's our gift basket worksheet. Is asking in cell F9, use AutoSum to calculate the total items in the basket B1. So we will go to the F9 here, that is our F9. We will go to the AutoSum. We will just put AutoSum and press enter. So we have entered our AutoSum formula. And what is in copy the formula in the F cell F9 to F11. So we need to copy this formula up to F11. That's our second step. Our third step is to save yourself time. You may want to consider using absolute referencing, so you can copy formulas to the other cell within the workbook while keeping a cell referencing. In the cell B15, type B14 minus B14 multiplied by E3. So we will copy this and we will go to the cell B15. That's our cell B15. We will type or we will copy the from Word file and paste it here. So we have got our results. We will press enter. So we have got our result in the cell B15. What is saying, copy the formula through cell E15. So we will copy this up to E15. So we have got our results. That's our third step. Our fourth step is in certain worksheet, mixed references is the most efficient way to save yourself time. When creating a formula, you wish to copy the other cell within the worksheet in which either the row or the column references must be stay constant. In the cell B18, use type B15 cross B9. So we will copy this and we will go to the cell B18. That's our cell B18. We will paste it here as a B9 multiplied by B15 and press enter. So we have got our result in our cell B18. What is saying? Copy the cell range B18 to B20. So we'll copy this formula to B20. We'll drag down this one. We have got our result. Now we will copy this formula in this line, and now we'll copy this like this. So we have got our same result, same formula here. So that's our fourth step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Cengage course, Simnet course, uh, Pearson course, Pearson Plus course, or Canvas course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video to get directly into my inbox. Now we will do our fifth step. You found an error in the worksheet. Since formula have been created to perform calculation in the worksheet, changes to data will automatically be reflected throughout the worksheet. In the cell E14, change the price of the soothing ball salt to 9.99. So we will go to the E14. That's our E cell. He is asking to change it here. We will type here 9.99 and press enter. So you see we have got changes here. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is an array formula can return multiple results and split those results into neighboring cells. On the commission worksheet in the cell B21, type this one. So we will go to the commission worksheet. That's our wedding summary worksheet, spa services, wedding services, and that's our commission worksheet. So what is saying in the cell B21, we will go to the cell B21, we will go downside. That's our cell B21. We will type here A21 to A24 multiplied by B22 E20 and press enter. So we have got our series results in this table. That's our commission earning table. That's our sixth step. Now I am going to do our seventh step. Our seventh step is the use of range names in our enveloper developer to quickly develop formulas that make sense. It also increases the readability of the formula to other individuals who are using the same workbook. On the gift basket worksheet, so we'll move to our gift basket worksheet. That is our big gift basket worksheet. We create range name basket subtotals. We will copy this one name for the cell range C23 to C25. So we will go to the C23 to C25. That's our C23 to C25. I have selected the cell. I will go to the formula tab and here in the define name we will put as a basket subtotal as a name and press OK. So we have assigned a range name to the B23 to B25. So that's our seventh step. Our eighth step is on the gift basket worksheet, click the name box arrow and then click basket requested. Notice that the range name selected B24 to B26. This is an incorrect range. Edit the basket requested range name so that it refers to cell B25 3 to B25. So we will go to the name managers and what he is saying basket requested. We will edit this one. He is asking for B23 to B20 B23 to B23 to B25. That's our correct range name. So we will press OK. So that's now corrected. We will close this one. That's our eighth step. What is saying our ninth step is in the cell F24 use the sum function to add the all values in the basket subtotal named range. Use the name in the formula. So we will go to the F24. That's our F24. That's our cell F24. What he is saying here we will type F24. We will put some formula start formula and he is asking to use the range names as a basket subtotals. So we will choose basket subtotals. So we will close this one and press enter. So we have got our results in the our total billing amount. So that's our ninth step. We have total 30 steps in this assignment. I have performed 9 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment or you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Or you can just comment on this video so I will get you soon. And if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.